Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Link Apartments app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store descriptions, Link Apartments is a resident services app designed to act as a mobile concierge for tenants living in Link-managed communities. It provides a centralized platform where residents can manage rent, maintenance, and community-related activities from their mobile device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official listings, users can set up automatic rent payments or make one-time payments using multiple payment methods directly within the app. It also includes maintenance request tools, allowing residents to submit service issues and track updates without contacting the office directly. According to official descriptions, the app supports document signing, which allows users to handle lease-related paperwork digitally. There are features for booking amenities and paying associated fees, which help manage shared facilities within the community. The app includes guest access tools, where users can authorize entry for visitors like cleaners or dog walkers and track access activity. Residents can also manage package deliveries through integrated systems and report incidents occurring within the community. A community bulletin board feature is included, which allows residents to interact and stay updated on announcements. Some features, such as access controls, amenities, or integrations, may vary depending on the specific property setup and are not confirmed for every resident. This app may be useful for tenants who want a single place to manage payments, maintenance, and community interaction. For users interested in simplifying apartment living tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, functionality and experience can vary depending on property configuration and system integration, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.